happy say omu take this step. But I'm bisa say Adamo mu to say sir efa this plastic bowls no money ade styrofoam wo mo de ye yina no o mo invest say sika no wom. It is a wo ban no mo timeline up to the beginning of 2027 o mo kire say the aka kire no doors no mo de be production. It is a call on the government so be hwe kwan o be fa so a amanfo adwuma ne nsai na amanfo nso betumi anya into alternative no aban de na wo de so asene because I employ thousands of people.
Sure.
Yes, adwuma ni wo mamu ena sa manufacturing companies in play youth ni wo mo ekeka thousands of people ne gumo mo ye adwuma investment o mo koye yesika.
Okay,
so if you don't plan the transition well enkrofo be hwe mo adwuma.
Sure. 2025 and I'm so me say akoko bon buy na penny ba ko ha say EPA question now be say no so mo engagement akoso ni ade
yeah already o ma engage
am mama alternatives all the association no am alternatives
and they are complaining say it's not affordable. Almost alternative na idea more money expensive.
Okay,
expensive into na make investment o ma ye no I was coming there.
So they are well against that of the government.
Are buying because they said they have made it known to the government. Say alternative ni very expensive, and the investment they've made so far no. Say your case started 2027 and losses almost be making a high. E did the end said then now buying between ya so masne. My problem is not about say ye mo ejai prekope, but my problem is